Hey everybody, what's going on? Josh here with Scrapyard Films. Today I'm going to be giving you another MAGIX Vegas Pro 16 tutorial, and this one's going to be how to use custom fonts that aren't showing up in your text editor. First things first, let's right click, add a video track, and now if you're like me, the easiest way to add some text is right click on it and then insert text media. This brings up the text editor right here, and we could add, our text. Now, if you're also like me, you have a bunch of custom fonts too. So let's go ahead and choose one. How about Halo 3? So there. We see the Halo fonts here in the editor, but it's not portraying here on the screen. It's kind of weird, right? Well, for some fonts, it actually will not let you use a custom font in the new text editor. You have to use custom font with the legacy. But as you can see, some fonts do work, like this one I downloaded. Is Adler. This is a custom font that does not come stock with Windows. It works in the text editor. So it's just kind of picky. You got to kind of get lucky. And if the custom font you downloaded works in this, that's perfect. If it doesn't, I'm going to show you how to fix that by just going to Media Generators, Legacy Text, Default Text, drag it down. Then we click in here, Media Generator, change it, and then go to our highlight it all, go to our custom font, which was Halo, and there we have it. The custom font now works. So that's it for this one. Just to recap, certain custom fonts work in the new text editor, but if they do not work, you have to use the legacy text tool. And if this video helped you out, you can help me out by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. Those 4 ways, if you do all 4 of those to our videos, they jump up in the list and it helps us become noticed so we can produce more videos for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.